Hi guys, my name is Chrissy Bales and welcome to my YouTube channel. So again, we are back with another tutorial installation, how to cut a bob in 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you every single step that I took throughout this section, including how to cut it in 5 minutes. Okay, so now before we get into this video, if you're not already following me on all my social media network, what are you waiting for? Click the link down below to to subscribe and follow your girl. Also, you can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter using Chrissy Bales and Chrissy Bales 1 for Snapchat. Let's begin. So as you can see, I've already rolled her hair and it is ready. Okay, once that is done, I'm gonna see what I'm showing you right now is that I gelled her baby hair down because it needs to stay out of the way, for the cap method. Now let's get onto this cap method. Guys, remember that I have a full detailed tutorial, 20 minutes plus long tutorial on how to execute the cap method, okay, on my e-learning, which I'm gonna drop the link right now. So make sure you go to it and check it out. Or if you don't want to pay for it, you can also watch my YouTube video on the cap method. Okay, they are not the same thing. One is 20 minutes long plus and one is 8 minutes. So yes, there's a clear difference in them. Now once you've done that, you can it will show you how to go from that to this. This is where you want it to be. Okay, melted. The lace, that cap is melted. Okay, well, once that is done, I'm gonna put the wig on her head. The wig that I'm using is actually, I used 2 bundles of 16, actually 1.5 bundle of 16, and a lace frontal and a 14-inch lace frontal. Also, now what I'm gonna do is part the hair in the middle and also try to flatten it using the black hot comb. Remember guys, the black hot comb, you can use a 10%, you can get a 10% discount by using the CB10. Again, I'm gonna put the link on the screen right now. CB10 to get you 10% discount on the blackhotcomb.com. Okay, that's what I use to flatten this and make it look so delicious. Okay, now once this is done, it's middle, look at the hairline, look at the plucking, baby. Remember guys, I have a full-on tutorial on my e-learning on how to pluck the perfection. Okay, so let's get into blow drying this hair. The first thing I'm gonna use is to use a heat protector, and once I've used the heat protector, I'm gonna use the blow drying styling spray. I love the feeling of hair when it's blow dry before you straighten it, because I feel like it makes the hair bounce, like it gives you that natural bounce of it. So I'm gonna add some oil as well, and I'm gonna go into and just blow dry the hair line by line. I might have a tutorial on how to do this later on when I'm gonna teach you guys about layering and also about curling hair. So I might put in an e-learning, but let's see. Once this is done, what I'm gonna do is put it on my mother's head. Guys, look at how amazing this looks on her. Look at the edges, baby. It's ready. Yes, this wig has actually been slightly tinted, but I think like I should have tinted it a bit more, just a little bit, tad bit more. For the tinting, I actually just used the caramel frap by the Wig Guru. I love their product. That's actually what I used to tint it for her. So now what I'm gonna do is to separate the hair into 3, as you can see me doing on the screen. Once I separated the hair into 3, the next I'm gonna do is to cut it. Guys, let me just let you know right now, I have had this clippers for almost 4 years or 4 or 5 years now. This clippers was dead. When I mean it was dead, it was so blunt. I could not even remember it was how blunt it is. But yes, I wish I could have had a new banging clipper. That's why I can put my hand on there and it's not doing anything on my hand because of how dead the clipper is. So anyways, before I'm gonna get another new clipper on Monday, which is I'm gonna use and do another video. But wow, this clipper was just not it. But make sure you get yourself a good sharp clipper to do this, because it will really help you to have that nice finishing. Okay, now look at how I'm taking, like, watch this video, see how I'm taking what I already cut and join it with a new length to cut the sides. Okay, now once this is done, you could see that the cut looks so nice and it's simple and everything is all is about on the same length. Once that is done, I'm gonna go into it line by line and make sure that the cut looks clean. Okay, again, I'm gonna use the clipper one more time to make sure that the edges looking snip, and then I'm gonna go into it just to thin it out a little bit using a thinning scissors. Once that is done, the next process I'm gonna do is actually going to use a straightener. Guys, these straighteners are amazing. One of my student gave it to me, Sandy. This straightener is everything. I love it. So this straighteners, yes, you know. Now I will just straighten the hair, and guys, look at how amazing this hair looks. Our hair is raw virgin hair, you know, it's so amazing. Okay, now once this is done, we're gonna get into actually cutting the lace and making sure it sits, you know, beautifully. Guys, I have a couple videos right now on how I cut the lace, so I'm actually gonna speed up this whole process because I already have videos on it. And then once I've, you know, cut the lace from left to right, remember I cut them always in different sections, okay, and I use a tiny sharp scissors. Once that is done, like you can see right now, the next thing I'm gonna do is to actually glue the wig down. As you can see, she doesn't actually need the wig to be glued down because it sticks on her head, but I want that marriage between the lace and her forehead. That's why I'm gonna use the glue. Okay, so once I put the glue, again, I have a tutorial on how, you know, I glue down the frontals and all of that stuff, but I'm just gonna go through them quickly just to show you guys what it looks like. Again, I'm about to use a CB edge slayer. If you do not have one of this, stop this video right now and just click the link below and get you one. This will help your lace melt to perfection. This is what marries your lace and your skin together. Okay, so now after 10 or 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Guys, is this not laid? Look at how look at the marriage between the lace and the skin. Now I'm just gonna combat all the excess hair, and you're gonna get something like this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the left and the right side, the same thing. Guys, look at these edges. We do not need baby hair for this installation. We actually don't need any baby hair for this installation because of how clean it looks. Okay, and you guys already know I don't know how to do baby hair, so let's not lie. Okay, I'm learning. Okay, but yes, so guys, look at this. Literally all you can see is, like, I don't know, but this is it. Okay, so now, so once this is done, now, you know, as you can see, her edges looks laid, the wig looks amazing. It looks perfect. We don't need to do nothing else to it. Anyways, the next I'm gonna do is to do her sideburns, because she's just like Chrissy. I need some sideburns. Okay, I just took out the sideburns, cut some of it, and then I'm gonna use a CB edge slayer again to tie it down. Okay, once I tie it down, voila, look at how you tie down that CB edge layers. No tying. It has double velcro. You fold it over each other, cross it over, and that is all you have to do. Guys, look, like after another 10-15 minutes, this is done. Guys, look at this. Even she is gassed, you know. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you, Bella, for being my model for this video. Thank you. I'm so glad you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you next week with another tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and see you next week. Bye.